Hey guys, welcome back for some more TCM, and today we've got an Uncatchable Ana build for you. So it's mainly focused around two perks, and that's Jumpstart and Slippery. So with these two perks, you become really difficult to catch. You should have enough endurance to get to the next gap, and Slippery gives you a speed boost once you go through it. And for those stray shots that you do take, we've got What Doesn't Kill You, just to keep your health up. And then attributes, we're going 40 toughness, 40 endurance, and then bumping the rest into proficiency because solo queue is really rough right now. So that is the build. Let's just jump right in. So we're in the middle, and you might have saw during the intro how we ran this spot of bother, but we only took the one hit, and we've got What Doesn't Kill You, so we should be fine. Could have died though. Julie unfortunately got in the way a bit, but it happens. It's not really anybody's fault. It's just unlucky. But let's go unlock sewer. Wait, I'm going the wrong way. What am I doing? So I think going anything above 40 endurance with jump starters probably just overkill. So that's why I've chose 40. Just went with 40 toughness and then a bit of proficiency just because we're in solo queues. It's always nice to have that. Especially now, I don't know if you guys have... It's been a really rough time in solo queue. Whoa, what was that? Interesting. I don't think I've ever seen that happen before. Just lost like half a checkpoint on progress there. Right, so we're going to be a distraction in this one, although we do have some proficiency. We'd rather just get in the fight. Right, there's two doors open based on the score in there. That's enough. Let's head up. I don't want to get any attention just yet. What's going on over there? It's still just the one door, the two doors that are open. Sounds like Leatherface is up though, so I'm expecting the team to be above ground any second, and then that's when we'll do a distraction, because I see all the time Annas and Leylands, they run in, they do a load of crap as soon as Grandpa's awake, and nobody's even out of basement yet, and now you're dead, or at least you've ran into a load of trouble. Maybe we could do Valve. We'll check Mill first, because that's kind of safest one, and it would be the best spawn for us. I thought Leatherfish is up, but it's awful quiet, so maybe he's not. Nah, no luck with the Valve. Still just the two doors open. I'm hoping to find one of the ones that's been open. Oh. Ah, he saw me for sure.
What's that over there?
I would have liked to get this attached first, but never mind. So Leatherface is up here. Oh wait, it could be Hans actually. Forget about him. Oh, time to do our distraction, I guess. Hopefully our team does something.
In God's name.
He may have saw me in here, so this might not work. He's probably going to rip stall, but we're not actually planning to get out here anyway. Let's check to see if he does rip stall or if he just turns it off. Yeah, it's a rip stall.
These are bones.
We've got this gap here, so we're pretty much free here. I'm hoping that my team's done something that time. We can get rid of this. Can't open it, unfortunately, but...
Finally. I need to find the others.
Crap, he knows.
Come on, Anna. You can do it.
Don't know who he's swinging at. Oh god, we've lost Julie. Right, I mean, it would have been nice if we grabbed that other valve whilst he's still got a Ripstall cooldown.
Thank you, Lord.
I've
Thank you.
kind of wasted my ability there.
It seems I've lost them. Why won't you leave me alone?
No, he knows. Well, somebody's opened something.
Yes, yes. Thank you, God.
Can we grab the valve now?
I'm okay. They're gone.
Right. Will he have Ripstall back? I'm pretty sure he will. I don't know if he saw me there.
Thank you. I might be able to break those locks now.
Yeah, I think he did. Oh, there's Hitchy. Oh, there's a trap there. No trap there. Well, he's definitely going to have Ripstall back now.
They left. Finally. I hope the others are okay.
I don't even know if there's a point in me doing this. Because we're kind of running out of valves if he gets this one too. And we don't have a bone scrap. That's a good little distraction, I suppose. Let's get it trapped. Did I just take the hit? No, screw it. Even if we can't get attached, it's still a distraction.
Why are you doing this to me? Please stop.
Yep, that's a Ripstall. Right, which gate did they go?
Are they gone?
Not that one.
I think I'm okay.
Because he definitely has something open. Ah, it's this one. And this will be where Leatherface is, I'm sure.
Please, God, help me.
Does he see me?
Oh, finally. They left. I need to find the others.
Is there nobody here? Let's see what we can do. We've got our ability back, so it can be a bit risky.
Stay away from me. Thank you, Lord.
Go, Sonny.
Thank you. It seems I've lost them. Okay, Anna. You can do this.
Damn it. He's really waiting there that whole time. I mean, I did unlock it. I don't know why he just let me unlock it. But apparently it worked. Oh wait, did he? He got it. I did not hear it at all. Well, you're a legend, Sonny. I don't know why I didn't hear it. He got so close to. If I knew, I probably. Oh, I could have done anything anyway. I didn't have a bone scrap, but yeah, I don't think Leyland's making out. And Leyland didn't make out either, so sole survivor for that one. But yep, GG, and let's go on to the next one. So we're in on Family House. No Leatherface to worry about.
Can I get through there?
And no Hitchy either, so we've got no traps to worry about. So we might be going out the window in this one.
What is this?
The good thing about being outside with this build is that we can run forever, so I do not want to do that. So as long as we don't die immediately, like as soon as we jump out, then we should be able to get some work done.
Gotta be something I can use around here. Okay, stay quiet on right there.
Oh, I was hoping it would give me a sneak attack there. No luck.
This is for Maria!
Right, we'll wait for it to die down a bit and then we'll go out the window. Because they'll be expecting me to jump out the window. Because we don't want them to be right on us as soon as we jump out. Because we don't have stunt double. In fact, this big health. Oh god, did they see me?
The pain.
You know what, this will be a good time.
Just die!
So now we've got time, as long as somebody else doesn't come out. I think someone else did come out. Yeah, they did. Well, this is going to test the build for sure. I think we make it here. It doesn't look like she's got scout. And there's a disconnect already. Yeah, it's from Cook. He knows what's coming next. Really not bothered at all about this poison. Looks like they're going to chase that other person. I think it was Virginia. Generator's out front. Oh, generator's off. Yeah, it's pretty much GG, and I mean that's just how quickly you can end it. Family House is all just about like one big moment, really. She doesn't have scouts, so I'm really not fussed about her at all. This is why you need scout as Sissy. I don't know. Yeah, I think she just gave up chasing me.
Are they gone?
And yeah, don't need stun double when you're playing Anna, that is. And we did get caught really quickly out the window. Like Sissy was right there as soon as it happened, and yeah, we still got out. Well, we still got to the gap before she hit us. Although that was because she wasn't using scout, so you did need to keep that in mind. But yeah, let's go into the next one. All right, so we're in on good old Family House. Grandpa's up nice and early, and we're against the big three. So could be harder. Well, it will be. Oh god. I'm pretty sure he got hit there. Can we get sneaky and get a sneak attack here?
They're here. Stay calm.
Because if you stay just behind the door, it means that he's not gonna go chainsaw sprinting past you. So it gives you time to actually get the sneak attack off.
Where this goes. Sonny.
I think we've got time for this.
Is this
Hopefully something
human?
they can get this door open here,
I didn't think about it.
and then we'll see if we can do the same thing we did in another game.
I can get through. Please, God, help me.
Maybe we should just head up now, actually. Is that a trap at the front door? It's got one there too. I don't think anybody saw me here. There is a trap at the window, so... Can we get past here? I don't know if he's... Oh, he's chopping down a door. Right, we've got time. Screw it. We'll get Leatherface out of the house, and then that should give people time to do something.
I'm okay.
Now this will test the build, because if we could beat Leatherface to this gap, then he can't get us.
Oh, finally. They left.
Well, apparently it's not testing the build.
I need to find the others. What is this?
Oh, there he is. So we really don't want to get seen right now, because we can waste a lot of his time if he doesn't know where we are. That's somebody else at the house. Wonder if they go out window, or if they unlocked something in all the commotion that we made. So what I like to try and do, because Leatherface is going to be watching the exits, is see if I can sneak in and unlock the rear gate. Because most people, when they're rotating between Gen and Battery, they're not going to be looking this way.
Did they really leave? I don't know.
So if we can get this open, then if we are forced to well, then we don't need to jump window again to get out. Family house, if you can get outside like this, it makes it so much easier. Well, Connie's just done that for us. I was going to see if I can grab another one. Oh, did he see me? He might have saw me. I mean, surely he saw me. He might have been looking the other way though. And if I've got Cook outside too... Oh, has he gave up? Oh, come on.
Why are you
Oh, we're not out
doing
yet.
this to me? Please stop.
Yeah, he's angry at Hitchy. Well, I mean, at least Hitchy's playing. I don't know why he just gave up. Oh, Connie's got Barry. Let's go there instead. I don't know why he gave up. Is it because he thinks that Hitchy didn't trap? Because, I mean, he did trap. Well, I thought it was going to be harder. It wasn't. I tried to get her, but she might actually die. But, yeah. Well, thanks Cook for ruining that one, I suppose. And yeah, everybody got it just fine there. So, yep, moving on. So, in on gas station. Here we go. No Leatherface is always a good sign for when you're playing distractions, so let's see if we can take advantage. I think I'll just take double bone scraps and see what we can do.
I should see what that is. It's not great, but...
Alright, all good to go. Let's see who we can find. Oh, there's Cook. Hello, Cook.
Here. Stay calm.
We may have stopped this a bit too soon, but we've done it now. It's a bit too late to worry about. I heard Hitchy playing a trap. Yep. Sneak attack? Nice. I'll take that. I thought it was going to be a close encounter. Why did I use... That was just a reflex and I wish I never used it. Yeah, it was a really dumb use of my ability. I've regretted it as soon as I pushed. He's not coming round, is he? No, he's not. Wait, what is he doing? Is he coming round? Cook. Come on, man. I'm not sure what he's doing. Right, we need more bone scraps. Here we go.
Are they gone?
Let's get this open first, though. Surprised we've only got the cook's attention. We're making a load of noise here.
People.
I can hear Sissy. She's over in the house somewhere. Right, we need to beware because Hitchy's put a trap somewhere around here.
Please stop.
Because we heard a trap go down. Oh, hi guys. We may get poisoned here. No? Fair enough. I'm really aware about where this trap's going to be. I think I'd rather just take it somewhere else. So yeah, let's go over here instead. They're both chasing. This is good for us. Yeah, he's gonna cut me off. If it's just one hit, we're good though. Oh, she missed the poison. We're buying people a load of time here. And we'll heal that back up in a sec. Oh crap! Need to watch for the poison. Want to go all the way around. Oh, Cook's here. Oh crap, that's latched. Ooh, we managed to avoid any hits there. I mean, we're keeping them busy. Something must be open, surely. Well, Virginia's on that.
Are they gone?
Right, she's got the cook's lock off. Let's just keep covering for her.
For now.
I think she's gonna get it. Yep, there we go.
They left.
If she can...
I hope the others are.
Well, what's she doing? I think she's just going for that, which is fine. We can buy her time. Maybe we could... She's not going to have another one. Oh, I think we've lost Connie. Let's just do it quick.
Thank you. I might be able to break those locks now.
Because I assume that she got... Oh, she's still on it, actually.
Finally. You're a friend, right?
If she latches it, I can get this.
I know they're still around.
No, she did latch.
somewhere. Be careful, Anna.
Yeah, we're all good here. Teamwork to make a dream work there, which is always lovely.
It's a win.
Guys, front door's open. It's a right gate.
I wonder
We'll
what
head out and
this
see if we
was.
can make sure that everybody gets out.
Damn.
Maybe we can even get their attention and try and unlock this as well.
Yes, yes. Please fit in that lock. Please.
We do need to be aware that that last door was not cook locked, so he might be able to get one on it. I heard someone there. It's probably the family coming. I'm not that fussed if they see me here.
Oh, thank God.
Nice. So if we kick this, then it just gives people more options. You never know when it's going to be useful. I assume that Sissy's just going to chase Virginia out. And this has got to be a massive distraction, so I think people should be out now. Even if they go like car battery. Can we get my cheeky a cheeky door slam here. There we go. Oh, sissy.
You get away from me! You having fun yet?
Can try and waste a bit of our time. I don't know why you're doing that, sissy. It's maybe a new player. I mean, this has got to be enough of a distraction for everybody, surely. If they had like a macro or something that died there, that would be horrible. Yeah, I think we can do all we could do here.
How does that feel? Oh, thank God. I think I can get help.
We bought so much time for everybody at the start of that game and then there too, so they've got no excuse for not getting out here. And somehow, I don't know, somehow it was just me and Virginia that got out of this one, but that is solo queue for you, so yeah, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.